It's not an extra. This is my... Ito tinatawag na extra income, guys, kasi ito ang aking panginabuhi na yun. Noon is not serious business, no, but now I'm focused on this one because I don't have any before, just only because I fell bored before 2000, way back 2016 I fell bored, no. So before, this store is only for libangan. But later on, well, tumatagal na ko dito, hindi na to libangan, guys. Panginabuhi na ni. O, di ba? It's not an extra. This is my main source. Like part-time. No, it's not a part-time. This is my, I work here full-time and we help each other here and the family. This is my main source of income. It's not extra. It's not part-time. Noon, I considered this one is my, parang hindi siya yung source, no? But now, I consider this one my source income, guys. You know what? Why? Because I don't have any other work. No? This is the only one. So, I will not consider this one is my extra income. No, this is my main source of income. Ayan. Channel na po ang ating nakapin. Shout out.